the trash. In your cash like I'm fast, like a girl, you wanna act like it did. Security codes on everything, on vibrate, so your phone don't ever ring. And another one he don't know about. Wish we could switch up the road.
Yo, shout out to all my people who actually knew that song, yo. Like, shout outs to you, boo. I mean, it doesn't even matter who you are, what you say. Like, that song is iconic. Because it's for Valentine's Day, I figured, you know, why not be a little bit anti-Valentine's Day with this dramatic look. Guys, I have a confession. I had no look for Valentine's Day. This video was filmed yesterday, the 31st of January. I know it is up on the 1st of February because while I was looking at my pre-recorded videos and the scheduled times, I had none for the 1st of February. So yeah, this is my my Valentine's Day look, and to be honest, it's the only Valentine's Day look that I have. I mean, I have other tutorials, but I just don't want to label them Valentine's Day when that wasn't really the motive behind the tutorial. So I'm just using this palette from Fontana Pharmacy, but as you guys know, this Santa palette has been discontinued at Fontana Pharmacy. But what I did, I just layered colors and I worked with pinks and purples. And I did the Instagram cut crease for this as well. So yeah, Zamar, please stop. So yeah, I wanted to do a very dramatic look because this is me. This is what I would wear on Valentine's Day. This is what I wore yesterday. I don't do my makeup for occasions. I just don't. I do what I like. I do what is speaking to me for a specific occasion. That's what I do. So everything is quite self-explanatory. I am going to go ahead and just throw some music in here.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no host, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only eyebrow the kings of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a dim. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him login. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a access him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now she walk if me a fall and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rim. Me only I about the kings of here. You a dragon a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast when they check most of them never have a Bible in a them house. And up here, high status them a post and a pose with pick like them they in a the force. But that can't save you, not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a fall and me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I bought the king of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. Don't hype, cause that you like the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a loss. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the king of kings. Boy come a talk about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am a dim. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him login. Him couldn't believe the picture him get a tagging. It's a next man him see a access him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of. That's why me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings.
So the lashes are from La Page Trends, and this lipstick is called Nude from Maybelline. It's 650 Nude. And to line my lips, I used Espresso from LA Girl, and for the gloss, I use my matte Ooh La La Lippy from LA Girl again. I know the matte lippies, they have a gloss underneath, and that's what I did for the gloss. So this is the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys, it's the 1st of February. Happy February 1st. Happy February 1st. You're not going to say anything? Jonathan is right beside me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, tell a friend. Love you guys. Bye.
You got me like, girl, what you want from me?